This is the Leatherman Squirt E4 Storm Gray Electrician's tool. This is an amazing little tool that most people don't even know Leatherman has. Look carefully and you will see that this is a wire stripper, with openings for 6 wire gauges, 20, 18, 16, 14, and 12 gauge. And at the very end is a fine serrated gripping area. The Leatherman Squirt E4 features 6 items on the outside of the case. First is the clip point knife blade, sharp and big enough to cut with. Next is the small eyeglass screwdriver. On the other side is a larger straight screwdriver with combination small bottle opener. And right next to it is the cutest little Phillips screwdriver bit I've ever seen on a multi-tool. This actually makes a very useful screwdriver. And we still have left a fine and cross-cut file. Also included is a useful keyring clip. All in all, the Leatherman Squirt E4 Electrician's tool is just about the perfect pocket tool for anyone involved in wiring. Get equipped, get a Leatherman.